Good morning, students. Today's topic is lysosomes and its functions. Lysosomes. Lysosomes, in Greek, it is lyso meaning digestive, zoma meaning body. So, the digestive bodies which are present inside the cells, we name them as the lysosomes. They are the tiny membrane bounded vascular structures of the cytoplasm which perform intracellular digestion of the cell and also the extracellular digestion also I will tell you later. They are present in the animal cells which are secretory in function such as the pancreatic cells, leukocytes, liver cells, spleen cells and the kidney cells. Each cells different functions it has. Okay, so if you come to the leukocytes, then they are defensive in function, that you know, right? Okay, then the lysosomes have been found to contain molecules of about 24 enzymes. They have plenty of enzymes so that they can digest all kinds of the foreign bodies which are coming inside the cell, or intracellular digestion also can happen by these enzymes which are present in it. So if you can see, name them few of them. Acid ribonucleases is there, deoxyribonuclease is there, then acid phosphatase is there, phosphoprotein phosphatases are there, so on, and 24 enzymes. If you can see, all these are present inside the enzymes of the lysosomes and their substances. The lysosomes are round vascular structure which remain filled with the dense material and acid phosphatase enzymes, that you already know that. The lysosomes are bounded by a unit membrane of a lipoprotein. Okay, the space or a vacuole of the lysosomes contains the dense granules, vacuolated and homogenizing materials. These are going to in turn help them in the intracellular digestion. The kinds of lysosomes. There are four kinds of lysosomes which are present at the same time in the same type of the cells which is found. Okay, and they are found in the different types of cells also, but in different times in the same cell also it is found. Different times in same cell, or different types of cells at the different times in the same cell, or in the different cells also. So either way, two ways: primary lysosomes, secondary lysosomes, residual bodies and cytolysosomes. Primary lysosomes, see, if you can see the picture of it, see there are two different types of lysosomes which I'm showing you here. The one which is in the circular and one which is little bent, these are found in the kidney cells of the rats. Primary lysosomes are small sac-like bodies having many enzymes which help them in the intracellular digestion. Secondary lysosomes are also known as heterophagosomes or the digestive vacuoles when the cells feed on the foreign substances. I will show you the diagram also. By the process of the phagocytosis, then the plasma membrane forms the membrane bound vesicles known as pinosomes. See, here these are the foreign materials, the bacteria which is named here. So the bacteria is entering the cell which is coming here. See, these are the granules which are there, named here granules. Okay, and these are the lysosomes or the vesicles which are present here. See, these are the lysosomes which are going to get intact with the foreign material which is entering there. So when the granules and the lysosomes are coming together, they are going to digest the substances. See, here the vacuoles are there and the foreign substance is entering, and where the fusion is taking place, then the digestive vacuoles, all the breaking down of the smaller substances into them smaller substances, and then it is going to release them out of the cell. Okay, so the lysosomes, see the then when the cells are I completed that, isn't it? Then the residual bodies. What are these residual bodies? The secondary lysosomes are going to diffuse into the cytoplasm. These remains of these secondary lysosomes are materials or debris which are left out, isn't it? that are called as residual bodies. The secondary lysosomes diffuses into the cytoplasm and remains as undigested or the debris in the in the matrix, then the cytoplasm. The secondary lysosomes are known as the those secondary lysosomes are called as the residual bodies. Autophagic molecules, vacuoles, are nothing but the cytolysosomes. What are these cytolysosomes? These are also called as autophagosomes. These are formed when the cell feeds on its own intracellular organelles such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum by the process of autophagy. Okay, I'll come back to this point. Remember this. Lysosomes have originated from the pinocytotic vacuoles, which in turn originated from the plasma membrane. So I have explained these pictures. Functions of the lysosomes: digestion of the large extracellular particles like bacteria and other foreign substances which enter accidentally or into our cell, then that has to be digested and thrown out of our cell, which has to be defeated out of our body, isn't it? So that which is helped by the lysosomes. Digestion of intracellular substances during the starvation, that is intracellular substances like their own organelles and things like that will be digested, isn't it? And see here the autolysis, which I told you to remember the point, correct? So this point I told you to remember. So coming to that function, what that says: autolysis in certain pathological conditions. What is this pathological conditions? Is nothing but the infected stages. Any infected stages or a cell, if it is infected, then the lysosome starts digesting the various organelles of the cell itself, and this process is known as autolysis or the cellular autophagy, extracellular digestion. And it also helps in the lysosomes are supposed to initiate the mitosis in the cells. It is believed that the lysosomes are going to help in the initiating of the mitosis in the cells. The lysosomes form a built-in mechanism of the cell and enable the cell to adopt or adapt metabolically rapidly changing conditions. See, any conditions that the cell is undergoing, external or internal environments is changing, suddenly these lysosomes are making them to get adapted to that particular conditions, and the conditions of the food supply, oxygen concentrations, and other many other environmental factors which occur in the many living systems. Okay, so if you have understood, like the video. Okay, then very soon we'll be seeing back with the other topics. Thank you.